I was watching a YouTuber the other day that said he cleans his bamboo cool plate with alcohol, but just make sure not to clean it when it's hot, as it'll ruin the plate. Which confused me because from what I know, the bamboo cool plate is never supposed to be cleaned with alcohol, alcohol will ruin the plate. Cleaning a plate while it's hot, well, some YouTubers say, won't harm whole plate, especially your PEI plate. That is not true, although it does make the alcohol put out more fumes. So if you're using a bamboo cool plate, which is not available for purchase anymore, or the new bamboo cool plate Super Tech, don't want to use alcohol to clean it. And it does say in the considerations for the new Super Tech plate, do not use organic solvents, especially acetone. But I think they could be more clear about this because alcohol is also an organic solvent. So they're saying don't use organic solvents, including alcohol, but especially don't use acetone. So that means don't use alcohol.